Hey guys, so today I built a bicycle stand for my two bikes. Sick of having them in the garage, laying them up against things, and falling down. So just a real simple wooden stand made out of some scrap wood. It's roughly 8 feet of 2x4 and 8 feet of 2x6 and 16 screws. So about $20 worth of wood. You might have it laying around the house. So you can see it's pretty simple. The 2x4 on the front and the back, 2x6. They just sandwich the tires. They sit in there nicely. My measurements, so my bike has 29-inch tires. My wife's have 27.5, so I have it 19 wide and fits in pretty good. And to do around the tires, just test fit it, move it around a little bit. It's pretty simple.